Before we start learning Agile and Scrum in detail, let's take a quick look at what this course will cover. This way, you'll have a clear picture of the path we'll follow and how the course is structured, so you can get the most out of it. In this tutorial, we'll go step by step so that by the end, you'll not only understand the theory behind Agile and Scrum, but also have the practical skills to work effectively as a Scrum Master. Here's the plan for our journey together. Basics of software development and SDLC will start with the foundation. You'll learn what the software development lifecycle, or SDLC, is, the stages involved, and why it's important to understand this before moving into Agile. Traditional approaches next. We'll look at traditional project management methods like waterfall, V-model, and iterative models. You'll understand how they work, their advantages, and why Agile became such a popular alternative. Agile methodology and manifesto. Then, we'll get into Agile, what it is, and the Agile manifesto. We'll talk about its values and principles so you understand the thinking behind Agile. Types of Agile frameworks. Agile isn't just one method. We'll look at different frameworks such as Scrum, Kanban, Lean, Extreme Programming, XP, Crystal, and DSTM, and see how each is used and when they work best. Scrum framework in detail. Since Scrum is the most widely used Agile framework, we'll go deeper into how it works, its structure, roadmap, principles, and benefits. Scrum roles, events, and artifacts. You'll learn about the main Scrum roles: product owner, Scrum Master, and development team, along with the events and artifacts that make Scrum work smoothly. Scrum Master responsibilities. We'll focus on what a Scrum Master does, how they help the team, and how they make sure Scrum is followed effectively. Scrum metrics and tools. We'll cover important tools and metrics such as Scrum boards, burn-down charts, burn-up charts, velocity tracking, and cumulative flow diagrams. You'll learn how these help teams track progress and improve performance. Sprint activities in detail. We'll walk through each sprint activity: sprint planning, daily Scrum, sprint review, sprint retrospective, and backlog refinement, and talk about best practices and techniques. Advanced Scrum concepts. For bigger projects and large organizations, we'll explore scaled Agile frameworks like SAFe, LESS, and Nexus, which help coordinate work across multiple Scrum teams. Practical tips for becoming a successful Scrum Master. We'll finish with practical advice and tips to help you be an effective Scrum Master, improve team performance, make Agile adoption successful. By following this structure, we'll move from the basics all the way to advanced concepts, so you finish this course with both strong theory and practical understanding of Agile and Scrum. Now that we know the roadmap, let's get started with the foundation, the basics of software development, and SDLC.